Assalamualaikum. Here we'll take a look how to convert a stateless widget to a stateful widget. First, I'll show you for a Mac and Android Studio. Later on, I'll show you how to do it for Mac and VS Code, Windows and Android Studio, and Windows and VS Code. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are and which device you use. So select your keyword, this one, stateless widget, and then for Mac, first hit Option Enter. Option Enter. Okay, now you will see that you have this options over here, and for other devices follow the instructions. Choose your device and follow the command, then you're good to go, and then hit, and this is how you convert a stateless widget to a stateful widget.